Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can cancel your SHEIN club membership. So let's get started. First, open the SHEIN app on your phone. Once the app is open, tap Me in the bottom right corner to access your account page. At the top of your profile, you should see the SHEIN Club option. Tap on it to open your membership details. If you currently have an active SHEIN Club membership, you should be able to find information about your subscription from this page. You may also see a question mark or help icon that you can use to access frequently asked questions if you need more information about the membership. To cancel your subscription, look for the Subscription History option and tap on it. Here, you should be able to find your current or previous SHEIN Club membership. Select the membership you want to manage, then look for the option to unsubscribe or cancel the membership. Follow the on-screen instructions to confirm the cancellation. Once the cancellation is completed, your SHEIN Club membership should no longer renew according to the subscription terms shown in the app. If you don't see the cancellation option, make sure you're signed in to the correct SHEIN account and check your subscription details again. You can also use the Help section for additional information. And that's it. That's how you can cancel your SHEIN Club membership directly through the app. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.